Hello, welcome to another Minute with the Mayor. It's been quite a while since we've done one of these, so I'll try to give you some of the updates that Council has been working on. Of course, one of our biggest jobs that we've had to do in the last couple of months is find a new permanent city administrator. We've had Cece Lindstroth as our interim administrator, been doing a great job during the time that she's been here, but we had to get to finding our permanent replacement. We're happy to report that we have hired someone and we have come to a contract agreement. His name is Ben Martig. He's currently the administrator in Marshall, Minnesota, been there since 2008. Very well experienced. He has a young family. He's so excited about moving to Northfield, and we're very excited to have him come here. He starts his new job on May 2nd. So as he gets settled in, or if you see him walking around town, he'll be out and about quite a bit. Don't hesitate to stop and say hi to him and introduce yourself. Well, that's one of the things we've been working on. We have so many more things that have been going on. You might have read about them or heard about them, but I'll talk about it anyway for a second. We've been talking about a location for a new liquor store. We have 4 locations that we've narrowed it down to, and we'll be having further discussion as staff comes back to us with information on those 4 locations. We're going to try to make Highway 3 a little easier to cross and obviously more safer. We have 2 new crossings going in on North Highway 3, one near Greenville Avenue and one out by Dairy Queen near Fremont Avenue. MnDOT will be helping us. They'll be doing work on the road out there this summer, and we'll be putting in those crossings at the same time. A bigger project is right downtown, the Highway 3 and 3rd Street. Getting people safely across that intersection there as a gateway into our downtown. Council just approved that project at our last meeting, and we're looking forward to that construction to start this summer too. Other things going on, we're going out for bids on our East Cannon River Trail. We'll be starting work on our Meadows Park in the summer. This, if you recall, this is the big community park. It's our only community park that we have in Northfield, and we're looking forward to watch that develop over the years. So a lot of things happening in Northfield. Contact your council person, contact me if you have any questions about these things. We'll be happy to talk to you about it, and we have many more things, and I promise it won't take so long before we get the next update to you. Thank you.